Well, in the following, it seems interesting that when with such an animation of the gun in the picture, we make a shoot for it. To fix it, from the shape tool section, select the ellipse item and drag it inside the page. And we make such a shape. From the fill, we make its color a little darker than the color of this part. And remove the stroke around it. Select layer, press P to show the position, lower the position, put it almost inside the barrel of the gun, put it back a little where the shooting took place. Now we want to insert the keyframes. Press R to show the rotation and also change your rotation a little. And also press S to show the scale. Make the scale a little smaller. Put the lower to below the gun layer. Select gun layer and press U to show the keyframes. Exactly from the moment of the firing, insert the keyframe for it. Press P to show the position. Insert keyframe. Some frame further, the next keyframe. Slightly move the firing position out of the screen. Also turn the motion blur button on. Now play to see how it goes. For opacity, insert the keyframe because it is not clear at the beginning of the image. Almost from here. Select layer and press T to show the opacity. Enter 0 to the opacity and insert the opacity 100 to the front frame. See how it's turned out. Well, let's go to animate the other part.